Hi friends, welcome to my channel Smart Living. Today's video is all about affiliate marketing. How to start affiliate marketing on less or no money step-to-step guide. Affiliate marketing on a tight budget is possible, but it requires creativity and effort. Here are some tips for getting started with affiliate marketing without spending much. 1. Choose low-cost niches. Focus on niches with low competition and lower-cost products or services. This can reduce the need for high advertising spending. 2. Content creation. Create high-quality, valuable content related to your chosen niche, blog posts, videos, or social media. Posts can attract organic traffic without advertising costs. 3. Free traffic sources. Utilize free traffic sources like social media, forums, and online communities to promote your affiliate links. 4. SEO optimization. Learn basic SEO techniques too. Improve your website's visibility in search engines, driving organic traffic to your affiliate content. 5. Email marketing. Build an email list. Over time, to nurture relationships with your audience, email marketing can be a cost-effective way to promote affiliate products. 6. Affiliate programs. Look for affiliate programs with no or low entry fees. Many affiliate programs are free to join. 7. Networking. Connect with other affiliates or bloggers in your niche to exchange tips and promote each other's content. 8. Quality over quantity. Focus on promoting high-converting products rather than trying to promote everything. Choose products that resonate with your audience. 9. Tracking and analytics. Use free tracking and analytics tools to monitor your affiliate marketing performance. Adjust your strategies based on the data. 10. Patience. Building an affiliate income takes time. Be patient and consistent in your efforts. Remember, while it's possible to start affiliate marketing with minimal investment, it may take longer to see significant income compared to those who can invest in paid advertising. Success in affiliate marketing often comes down to your dedication, knowledge, and the value you provide to your audience. Affiliate marketing without money. Affiliate marketing without spending any money is challenging but possible with a strong focus on leveraging free resources and your own time and effort. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Select a niche. Choose a niche you are passionate about and that has affiliate programs available. 2. Market research. Research your chosen niche thoroughly to understand your target audience's needs and preferences. 3. Create valuable content. Develop high-quality content such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts that provides value to your audience. This content will serve as the foundation for your affiliate marketing efforts. 4. Free website or blog, if possible. Create a free website or blog using platforms like WordPress.com, Blogger, or Wix. These platforms offer free hosting and website building tools. 5. SEO optimization. Learn about basic search engine optimization SEO techniques to improve the visibility of your content in search engines. This can drive organic traffic to your site. 6. Leverage social media. Promote your content and affiliate links on free social media platforms. Engage with your audience and join relevant groups or forums. 7. Email marketing. Build an email list over time by offering valuable content or incentives. Use free email marketing tools like MailChimp or Sendinblue to send affiliate promotions to your subscribers. 8. Utilize free affiliate programs. Sign up for affiliate programs that don't require an upfront fee. Many companies offer free affiliate partnerships. 9. Networking. Connect with other affiliate marketers in your niche to share tips, collaborate on projects, and cross-promote each other's content. 10. Patience and consistency. Understand that it may take time too. See significant income. Be patient and consistent in your efforts, consistently producing valuable content. 11. Track performance. Use free analytics tools like Google Analytics or social media insights to track the performance of your affiliate links and optimize your strategies based on the data. 12. Stay informed. Stay up to date with the latest trends and changes in the affiliate marketing industry by reading blogs, watching videos, and participating in online communities. While it's challenging to succeed in affiliate marketing without any investment, the key is to be resourceful and patient. Over time, as your audience grows and your content becomes more valuable, you can start generating income without spending money upfront. Dear viewers, that was all for today. I hope you like this video. If you do, then please do share this informative videos with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Smart Living for more informative videos. Thank you so much for watching. May we'll see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.